Today I'm showing off a new way to handle specular lighting in OpenGL using C++. So as you can see here, we have the scene and we can fly around, and it's one wood floor tilted at a 45-degree angle. And you can see in the center, there's this light source. So if we come to the outside, I can push B to switch between the two modes. You see one is a line and the other one is more diffused. And what I can show in here is that we're using Blinn's method for specular lighting. So if we set these values to 1, which makes them really extreme, I can show you. So as you can see here, this is with the specular lighting having an exponential of 1, which means it's its maximum strength. And you can see it sort of has this sharp cutoff the closer we get to the center of it. You can see it has a very sharp cutoff, but if we push B, we see it more evenly illuminates the entire scene. Just like so. And if I explain what we're doing in the code, this is fairly standard stuff. We create a floor, which is just a bunch of vertices, create a VAO and a VBO, then assign a texture, then draw it. The interesting part is in the fragment shader, where we take in this boolean for Blinn. And if we're not using Blinn, we calculate the reflection equal to the negative light direction and the normal as a reflect. And then we use the view dir and the reflection dir as a dot to give us the point. However, when we do use Blinn, we use a halfway dir and we normalize the light direction and the view direction. And then we take a dot of the normal and the halfway direct. And what this does is when we aren't using Blinn, so here, if we go all the way over here, but when we do that halfway dir, when we use the halfway dir, it eliminates that hard edge that you can see right there and allows it to go full 180. And if you want to see an example of what a larger program without this lighting would look like, you should click on this video here where I create this outer space scene and load a planet model and a bunch of asteroid models. And until next time, see ya.